Next question is, to conduct sport day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in figure given below. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. And the first question, what is the distance between both the flags? That means we have to find the distance between the flags posted by Niharika and Preet. Second question is, if the third person Reshmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining two flags, where should she post her flag? So we have to find where Reshmi should post the flag if she has to post it exactly half the way between Niharika and Preet. Okay, and this is our figure. So you can see the line, the point A, and on top it is D. And there are 100 flower pots, and each are, it is at that 2 flower pots are at equal distance. So if I am comparing with our graph, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. It goes on. And here also the numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. And what is that does? Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD, and how many flower pots are there from A to D? There are 100 flower pots. Though it is not shown in the figure, it is clearly mentioned in the question there are 100 flower pots. Though the distance between A and D is 100, and the question says that Niharika runs 1/4 the distance of AD. That means 1/4 of 100. That means it is 25 meter. So this is Niharika. Okay, Niharika runs on the second line at a distance of 1/4 of AD. 1/4 of AD means 25. Second line at a distance of 25. So can you say what will be this point? It is on the second line. So x coordinate is 2. Okay. And what about the distance of this much distance? This much distance is 1/4 of AD. 1/4 of AD means 1/4 of 100, which is 25. So the point where Niharika posts the flag is 2, 25. Okay. Again, what about the next person? Preet runs 1/5 the distance of AD on the 8th line. So here is Preet. She is running on the 8th line. So as she is running on the 8th line, we can take the x coordinate as 8. And what is the distance covered? 1/5 of AD. AD is 100. 1/5 of AD means 1 by 5 into 100, which gives you 20. So we are getting the points in which Niharika and Preet are posting their flags. So the first point is 225 and the second point is 820. What is our first question? What is the distance between both the flags? How we can calculate? We got the 2 points, isn't it? So applying the distance formula, we can calculate the distance between the two flags. Again, what's the second question? If Reshmi has to post a blue flag exactly half the way between the line segment joining two flags, where should she post? So what we have to do is, if I am joining these 2 points, we will get a line. And Reshmi has to post in the middle of this line segment. So we can find the point where will be the point, or that point will be the midpoint of these 2 points. If I am marking this as A and this as B, Reshmi has to post in the midpoint of AB. We can find the midpoint. Okay, midpoint means there will be an x coordinate and there will be an y coordinate. X coordinate means it will be the line through which Reshmi has to run. X coordinate which we get indicates the line through which Reshmi has to run, and the y coordinate will be the distance Reshmi has to run from the line to post the flag. Okay. So in this figure, A represents the point in which Niharika posts the flag, that is 225, and B represents the point in which Preet posts the flag. So we have to find, the first question is to find the distance between A and B. Okay, so what we will do is, we will apply the distance formula. How we can apply the distance formula? AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So calculate AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 2 the whole square, 8 minus 2 the whole square plus 25 minus 20 or 20 minus 25, whatever it is, 20 minus 25, the whole square, that is equal to square root of 8 minus 2 is 6 square, plus 25 minus 20 is, or 20 minus 25 is minus 5, minus square will again be 25. Okay, so that is 36 plus 25, which gives you root of 61 meters. So the distance between Niharika and Preet, the distance between the flags posted by Niharika and Preet is root of 61 meters. There was one more question where Rashmi has to post the flag. So what we will do is, we will find the midpoint of this line segment AB. How we can find the midpoint? If I am taking the midpoint as P, how we can find the midpoint of B? X coordinate, sum of x coordinate by 2, and y coordinate will be sum of y coordinate by 2. So P, the coordinate of P will be midpoint of AB, and that will be equal to, what is A? X coordinate of A is 2 plus 8 by 2. X coordinate sum by 2, comma y coordinate will be y coordinate sum by 2. So 25 plus 20 by 2, which gives you 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. And 20 plus 25 is 45. 45 by 2 gives you 22.5. So we are getting the point as 22.5, comma 22.5. So again, coming back to the given figure, the point which we got is 5, comma 22.5, isn't it? 5 means this line. So from here, somewhat 22.5 can be here. So 5, comma 22.5 is the point which we got. What is our question? The question is, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly half the way between the line segment, that point we got, where should she post her flag? Where should she post means we have to identify the correct position. Okay, so where should she post? On the fifth line at a distance of 22.5. Why you know? How we got 225? It was said in the question that in the second line, 1/4 of the total length of AD. That is how we got 25. And if I want to say the point, I can say that it is on the second line at a distance of 25 meter. And if I want to say this point, I can say that it is on the 8th line at a distance of 20 meter. Same way as I got the point as 5, 22.5, I can say that was that Rashmi has to post the flag on the fifth line at a distance of 22.5 meter. Okay.